Birdsong of Shaker Way. Every day is perfect. If when you wake, you hear birds in the garden, in the yard, birds up and down, ushering in one more day in all the houses of Shaker Way. Birds on telephone lines, light poles, birds twittering on trees, hailing fellow birds with a nod of feet, gray kingbird. Top-hatted, streamer-tail, tuxedoed doctor bird, busy-bodied hummingbird, punching in, out of pink, red ixorias, punch drunk in love. Birds preening for, chatting up other birds. The oriole, the grass squit in mid-song on the lawn in a dance of birds. An all-day-long conference of birds. Red-headed woodpecker, drummer boy or girl bird in this daily symphony of birds. An orchestra on Shaker Way in serenade of each perfect day with birds. From the very first mockingbird heralding in solar warble, one more day filled with birds. Brightened, lightened, thrilled by birds. Precious, diamond-throated, sweet song, miracle-toting birds. The gift of day is here, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Hello, bird. You lift me up, bird. You sing the day beautiful, bird.